Welcome back to the IS Companion. In today's lecture, we will discuss coalition governments. Coalition governments have become a common phenomenon in contemporary political landscapes, shaping the dynamics of governance worldwide. Understanding their meaning, features, formation, and merits and demerits is crucial for comprehending modern political systems. Meaning of coalition government. Derived from the Latin word coalitio, meaning to grow together, a coalition politically signifies an alliance of distinct political parties. It emerges when several parties unite to form a government based on a common agreed program or agenda. Coalitions often arise in multi-party systems where no single party can secure a majority of votes. Features of coalition government. Coalition politics operates on the principle of compromise, wherein distinct parties unite temporarily to seize power. Key features include a temporary conjunction of specific interests, a minimum program for governance, and pragmatic decision making over rigid ideology. Formation of coalition governments. Historically, coalition governments in India have emerged in response to shifts in political dynamics. While the Congress Party dominated the early years after independence, subsequent elections saw the rise of coalition governments due to the fragmentation of political power. Merits of coalition government. Coalition governments offer several advantages, including accommodation of diverse interests, representation of a broader spectrum of public opinion, consensus-based decision-making, and responsiveness to regional demands. They also reduce the domination of a single party, fostering balanced decision-making. Demerits of coalition government. Despite their advantages, coalition governments are prone to instability due to differences among coalition partners. Leadership may be compromised, and decision-making processes hindered by the need for consultation with coalition partners. Moreover, the proliferation of ministerial positions can lead to administrative challenges and accountability issues. In conclusion, coalition governments are a reflection of the complexities inherent in modern political systems. While they offer representation and consensus building, they also face challenges of stability and effective governance. Understanding the nuances of coalition politics is essential for navigating contemporary political landscapes effectively. Thank you.